Hello, ladies. Welcome back to another episode of Get Glassy with you. For it's still your girl, again, Blessing. Welcome back to this channel where we talk about everything that has to do with skin wellness, skin beauty, and how you can get a scintillating skin. So, guys, in today's episode, I'm going to be reviewing a particular body lotion, right? So many people have associated this body lotion to so many things, right? I'm going to be telling you my own honest feedback or honest review about this lotion. It's a very affordable lotion, very cheap. In fact, you see it in almost all these shops. You will find them in most of the cosmetic shops, by the roadside, drugstores, and the like. So this is a popular, or should I say common, or easily sought after body lotion that most beginners, I've noticed that most beginners use it. Is no other than this one here called Dodo. Is it Dodo or Dodo Skin? Let me call it Dodo Skin Gold, right? Or Dodo or Dodo, I don't know. Dodo skincare, right? Skin Gold with carrot extract. Yeah, this is how it looks like. Dodo. Yeah. So guys, I just bumped into this. This is an empty bottle. I got this an empty bottle. As you can see, nothing is inside. It's 100% empty. I just picked it up just to make a review about it, right, based on what I have seen so far. So guys, this particular product claims that it can whiten you in 7 days. It's written here, okay, 7 days white up. As you can see, it's written there, 7 days white up, guys, right? It's a fast action, so it claims to gradually lighten your face and body by fading dark spots, freckles, dark patches, and stretch marks as a result of pregnancy. So it can clear stretch mark as a result of pregnancy, giving you an overall even tone complexion, right? And make you look youthful. Now guys, I'm going to give you a honest review based on the feedback I got from the person that gave me this empty container to make this review, right? So I got this container from somebody, and because the person have used it, that's why I'm coming to review this on my channel. If you guys know me, I rarely review things like this. I review more of healthy. Okay, I'm not saying this is not healthy now, maybe because I'm using that one. Let me change my word. I don't want to, say anything about any products, right? So guys, this product, right, I'll say is 100%. Okay, let me not say 100%. Let me say 70% lightening body lotion, aka bleaching body lotion. Yes, it bleaches, right? Now this person that was using this particular product, she's an ebony skin person, and according to her, she went to the cosmetic store and the person recommended this for her because really Dodo, it looks like the word for black skin, right? But again, she said when she started using this product, she noticed that her skin was really glowing, right? When she used the first bottle, she noticed that her skin was giving this youthful glow, right? It did not lighten her up like immediately. It did not bleach her up. It did not tone her like that. But what she noticed is that it started fading away all her marks, started fading away all her dark patches. It started giving her this youthful glow, really, because she's way older. She's in her 40s, so you can imagine somebody 40 looking younger, like she was in her 20s or 30s. It just arranged that look and gave her this youthful glow. That was when she was using the first bottle. According to her, she was just bright and glowing. She could notice that her skin was radiant, it was shining, and people were asking her, what are you using? What are you using? She was combining it with her moisturizer. According to her, she was using a regular moisturizer and she was combining it. Now guys, when she finished the first bottle, she went for the second bottle, right? That was when she noticed that it started making her lighter, so her face was lighter than her body. So that is the story behind this product, right? It lightens up your face. It's like the concentration is on your face when you are using it, according to how I'm just giving you a user's feedback. Like you see, it's an empty container. I got it from a user just to give a review. Now according to this user, when she started using the second bottle, she noticed that her face started getting fairer than her body. Recall I told you that this person is ebony skin, yeah, and she was just looking for something that would, give her this glassy look and, tone her a bit, not to lighten her. So she noticed that her face was getting fairer than her body. All her body was dark. It wasn't working on her body, it wasn't working on her feet, it wasn't working on her hands, but her face was just glowing and getting lighter and lighter. So she said she then paused for a while and started applying on her body only to just see if it would blend or her face would come back to the way, the tone it was, because she wasn't ready to, lighten up her skin that much. But she noticed that it wasn't really doing anything on her body. Her body was just still dark, but it was also making her body look fine, but it wasn't changing the color of her body. So she now decided that she won't use it anymore because it was already giving her this kind of um dual or double skin tone, which is not what she was looking for. But according to her, she said the products gave her a very good it gave her a very good result when she used the first bottle. Really, her skin was 10/10. But it was when she started using the second bottle that she noticed that it was the lightening lotion that could end up giving her another shade which she did not plan for. So guys, it is scented from the container. The scent is like all these it's scenting like all these hair cream kind of scent. That's so if you're somebody that doesn't like using any product that is scented, I would say don't go near it. So from this user's feedback, I would say that this product is not for dark skin. If you're dark skin and you want to use this product, then you should just be using it maybe twice a week and combine it with your regular moisturizer. But if you're light skin, I think this particular product would definitely bleach your skin or give you more shades than you anticipated. Now the active ingredients are I see allantoin, alpha hydroxy acid, that is AHA, vitamin C, kojic acid, carrot extract, and this one is uvinol. I don't know what this is. I did not make research on that, guys. So those are the active ingredients. According to the manufacturer, they say you should use it morning and night to achieve noticeable results. So guys, if you have used this particular body lotion, it's just let me see, what's the size? It's just 220 ml, guys, and I think it retails less than 1,000 naira. I think less than that, maybe 500 or 700. I'm not really sure. Yeah, if you have tried it, let us know in the comment section. What is your opinion of this particular lotion? Is it a bleaching lotion? Is it a exfoliating lotion? Does it really clear stretch marks? I've seen that it has cleared somebody's wrinkle. I can say it has cleared the person's dull skin and brightened up the person, but tended towards bleaching. So what's your opinion? So leave your comments in the comment section, guys. Let's know what the screen did for you. Now, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, this is the best time to do so. You cannot be on this channel and not be part of our community. Click on the subscription button, turn on the notification bell to be part of this community, because on this channel we dish out beautiful content that has to do with your skin wellness, skin beauty, and how you can achieve glassy and scintillating skin. Until I come your way next time, still a girl again blessing to have a beautiful skin. Bye for now.